DNA kit. I'll show you this. Got my DNA kit, and I've been wanting to do these ferrule pile. We did it for my in-laws, and so I was really interested on seeing how accurate it was. I know a little bit about my family tree, so I was just trying to see a little bit about what I already know, or what I already think I know, what else I can find out. More getting into this because my kids are all grown, you know, and our grandparents and parents too, they didn't really talk about anything. So we don't know a whole lot about, you know, diseases or really anything. Read the directions, so we'll see how this goes. I think the hardest part is going to be trying to collect my spit in there. And it says I take this cap, screw it on. All right, there she is. Hello everybody, we are at the Uranus Fudge Factory. We've been by here a couple times, dozen times probably, and we decided this time we're going to make time to stop. So I'll show you around a little bit. Hope you enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed your visit at the Uranus Fudge Factory. Highly recommend this place. We'll let you know how the fudge is. Enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to us and hit the notification button, and thank you for watching.